This is one of the biggest and the oldest estates in the eastern heartland, Imo State. And a lot of people are renovating their homes, giving them a new makeover, renovating their homes to their status so that they can be comfortable. And some of these homes are locked. This is where I and my friend are staying over in Owerri in Egbeda housing estate, guys. There are over 500 housing units in this particular estate that we are at Egbeda housing estate, Imo State. In this video, I'm going to be taking you on a tour, estate tour, to this particular beautiful oldest estate in Imo State, or a capital city of Imo State, the eastern heartland. I remember a few years ago, that was in the 90s when we were in our secondary school, one of my friends was staying here. So we used to come and visit her and her family once in a while. This estate wasn't really built like this those days. There were quite lots of old buildings in this particular estate. But right now, they are even selling the properties. The property worth over 200 million naira. The cheapest can be found around 120 million naira in this particular estate. Now guys, tour with me. Let's go around and see what is happening in this particular estate. And currently, the estate property owners are always ready to resell their products, homes, houses, anytime there is need for them to strike a deal. It's not a new thing. And one of the major problems of this estate is bad roads. Some of the roads are not actually that good, and some are good as well. So that is one of the major problems they have, good access road. But I think that they are working on that. Like Anambra State, Abia State, Rivers State, all of these neighboring states, cities like Aba, Onitsha, Port Harcourt, all of them have easier access to buy homes, houses in this particular area because it is very, very close to them. And if you buy states and you're in one of these cities, it is neither going to be a problem for you because each of these states are very, very close. They are neighboring states to Imo State. This is the eastern heartland. And why I love this particular estate again, people always have cash crops, cash fruits in their homes. You can see coconut, you can see lemon, you can see avocado pear. And most of these people grow these cash crops in their homes. Right now, this is the current old building in this particular estate. And people are turning it from this to this, as you can see, and they'll now furnish them. Most of those homes inside look like this. That's how they actually look like. See all the beautiful homes. To rent a bungalow here costs about 1.5 million to 2 million naira annually, and to rent a duplex might cost up to 2.5 million annually, guys. So it's up to you. If you like this estate, guys, please keep watching this video. It's your baby girl Ebys'Lady on the beat, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, please take it up this time and be able to subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.